Hey, it's Mia. Autopilot is ready. API key is set. Now let's create your first agent. An agent is basically the AI you'll be working with. You can chat with it, give it tasks, and customize it however you want. When you first open Autopilot, it's pretty empty, but you'll see a Create Agent button right there waiting for you. Below it, there are quick start templates like Coding Agent or Security Architect. If you're in a hurry, just click one and you've got a working agent in seconds with smart default settings. And don't worry, whatever you choose, you can always tweak it later. Nothing is locked. Let's walk through creating one manually. Click Create Agent and a window pops up asking for a name. Call it whatever makes sense. Developer Bob, Research Helper, whatever fits. Leave it blank and Autopilot picks one for you. We'll skip it for now. Next, choose a model. This is the brain behind your agent. GPT-5, Codex, Anthropic Sonnet, all solid choices depending on what you need. See that checkbox that says Dynamic Model Routing? Turn that on and Autopilot automatically switches models based on what you're asking. It's a bit slower and uses more tokens, but honestly, it usually gives you the best results. Scroll down and pick a template. This sets your agent's personality and determines which tools it can use. Tools are what let your agent actually do things. Browse the web, research, write code, manage files. There's even one for agents talking to each other, but that's another tutorial. Last step, choose a project directory. That's where your agent saves files by default. You can add more folders with different permissions if you need. And that checkbox for sensitive system access, I'd leave it unchecked unless you really know what you're doing. Hit Create Agent and you're done. Go ahead, give it a try. One more thing, when you close Autopilot and come back later, your agent won't load automatically. Just head to the Agents tab, click Load Agent, and pick the one you want. More coming soon. See you in the next one.